Let us begin a new chapter, that is chemical reactions and equations. First of all, we should study what is a chemical reaction. So, a chemical change always involves a chemical reaction. You know what is a chemical change? Where new substances are produced. New substances are produced in the case of a chemical change. New substances are produced. So we can say that a chemical change always involves a chemical reaction. Chemical change involves a chemical reaction. So whenever there is a chemical change, we can say that there is a chemical reaction. So let us define what is a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is actually the processes in which new substances with new properties are formed. New substances with new properties are formed. So this is called a chemical reaction. So those processes in which new substances with new properties are formed are called chemical reactions. Chemical reactions always involves a chemical change, or we can say a chemical change always involve a chemical reaction. So this is the definition of a chemical reaction. Those processes in which new substances with new properties are formed. So let us consider one example of a chemical reaction, that is burning of magnesium in air. Burning of magnesium in air forms magnesium oxide. So this is an example of a chemical reaction. Burning of magnesium in air forms magnesium oxide. Burning of magnesium in air forms magnesium oxide. We can write this chemical reaction in the form of a word equation. So we can write the word equation, that is magnesium plus oxygen. We can write oxygen, that means it burns in air. It produces magnesium oxide. Actually, the nature of magnesium oxide is, it is a white powder. So magnesium, you know, this is a metal, it's a soft metal. It burns in air, or we can say it burns in oxygen, produces magnesium oxide. That means it's a white powder. We get a white powder after burning of magnesium in oxygen. So the left part of this, actually this equation, so this is a word equation. The left part, that means these two elements, that is in the left part of this equation, the LHS, we can say it is LHS. So this is known as the reactants. So we can define what is a reactant. Actually, reactants are the substances which take part in a chemical reaction. The substances which take part in a chemical reaction. So the reactants are written, or that we can see in the left side of the equation, or we can say the LHS. That means left hand side of this equation we can see the reactants. Reactants means substances which take part in a chemical reaction. Here two elements are there. Here magnesium and oxygen. Here magnesium and oxygen are the reactants in this particular case. Magnesium and oxygen are the reactants in this particular chemical reaction. And we can see one other compound that is seen in the right side of this equation, or we can say the RHS, right hand side of the equation, where we can see the product or we can say products. Here there is only one product, so we can say the product of this equation. So the products or the product are the substances produced as a result of reaction, as a result of chemical reaction. So there are two parts in a chemical equation. One is reactant, the other one is product. Reactants means the substance which take part in a chemical reaction, and the products means the substance which produced after the chemical reaction or as a result of the chemical reaction. Here the product in this case, in this particular case, the product is magnesium oxide. We can say the product is magnesium oxide. Here there is only one product. In some other cases we can see two or more products are there. So in this particular case, two reactants and one product. So for an equation, or this is actually a word equation. So in this word equation itself we can see two parts. One is the left hand side of the equation, the other is the right hand side of the equation. In the left hand side of the equation we can see the reactants. So we can define the reactants, that is the substance which take part in a chemical reaction. Here magnesium and oxygen are the reactants. Then RHS, that means right hand side of the equation. So RHS we can see the products. Here there is only one product. Products means the substance produced as a result of chemical reaction. So these are the two terms that we need to know while writing a chemical reaction.